This is the Hot Wheels Legends 15th Anniversary Tour stop in Miami. Welcome, everybody.
All right, what are we thinking?
I would say the Jag was incredible. But as far as story, the Jaguar, to me, is he doesn't have a shop. You know, he did it himself.
Yeah, he did it himself.
And also the 1979, the one that's
definitely that stands out in the package. A sea of cars, like who does not notice a medieval helmet? I like it for the fact that it's different, it's fantasy based. You want to call it? Let's call it that one.
Buenos días, Miami. Gracias por venir. Thank you for coming to stop number 12 of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour in celebration of our 50th anniversary. It's been really fun to judge. It's been really fun to go and hang out with everyone. It was really tough to choose the winner.
What I look for, and many of us look for, a car that matches the Hot Wheels DNA. And there was one car that stood out to everybody, and I think every kid in here had to have taken a picture with it, and that was Tony Batterson, the medieval one.
We're in Davie, Florida at Whole Shot Acres. I grew up with Hot Wheels as a little boy. My mother pointed it out to me, and you know, I just always had a fascination with cars. I had a little medieval helmet car, and I thought it was the coolest looking thing. Medieval One started over 25 years ago. We designed this car at my kitchen table on a napkin. 3 key features on Medieval One. Of course, the custom headers with 928 stainless steel scales with 40 hours of welding. The fact that I'm driving around in a propane tank, that's a car. And of course, third of all, is that blown small block, because there is no substitution for horsepower. Medieval One is used as a driver. I would never build or own a car that couldn't be driven, and I was very specific about that during the build. I have driven this car over 280 miles in one night with a passenger. I drive it in the rain, and as you can see from my burnouts, I have no problem beating on it. I knew I wanted certain things. I wanted snakes, I wanted battle axes, I wanted weapons all over the car. Well, Medieval One is a magnet. The children love it. And I spend probably more time opening and closing that face shield and making people smile than anything. So that's my greatest trophy. Every kid dreams about having their car in a car show, winning the top prize. Medieval One is special. And now to immortalize it in a Hot Wheels car would just be the ultimate feeling. There isn't a part of this car that I don't love. It's a reflection and an extension of me. I am the Medieval One.